Hello friends, welcome to Jubilant Greenery. Today I will show you how to make natural homemade NPK at no cost. Fertilizers are essential for your plants. If you are growing them in pots and if you don't fertilize them, their growth will be very slow or they may stop growing. For flowering plants, fertilizers helps not only for plant growths but also for good big flower blooming. For fruit plants, it makes good fruits with big size and sweet taste. Sometimes you may have noticed that the fruit plants are flowering but not fruiting. This may cause due to lack of watering or overwatering of plants or lack of nutrients and fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers are used largely, but they are not healthy and moreover they are very costly. So if you want to give some power to your plants, use this natural NPK where N stands for nitrogen, P stands for phosphorus and K stands for potassium. The one thing you need is boiled rice water. This is a brilliant fertilizer for each plant. It has lots of carbon and optimum number of NPK. It also contains small amount of other essential organic acids and micronutrients. This is a very well natural fertilizer, but you can't apply it directly. You have to ferment it for a day and then you can apply it by diluting it. Okay, then let it stay one day for fermentation. After one day, you can see the rice water is fermented perfectly. Though it is smelling a little bit, but it's okay. You can add 1 liter of this natural NPK to 10 liters of water to dilute it. Now you can add this to your plants. You can give it like normal watering. This is a optimum balanced cold fertilizer. It can be used in every plant for every season. Use this twice a month in a 15 days gap and see what happens. You can add this more frequently in flowering seasons. That's all for today. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon and give a thumbs up to the video. If you want to know anything more, please do comment.